weather on NBC 10 Boston, Boston's most accurate forecast.
Today felt a little out of place, Diminis.
Why is that?
Well, I don't know. Hasn't it been super hot and humid?
Right, okay.
And then today was just kind of not hot.
Yeah.
Not that sunny, and where was the humidity?
It was up a little bit, just a little bit. But yeah, it was one of those days where if you didn't have to really go out, you didn't want to be out, you could just stay home because it was gloomy outside. We had the damp weather, the rain around too, but things aren't terrible right now. We are in your first alert weather headlines tracking some wet weather. Highest chance going into Wednesday though. We're heating up, temperatures near 90, and right now we're looking ahead to a wet weekend with a chance of rain for both Saturday and Sunday. Temperatures at Logan right now in the 70s, and we're going to see those numbers in the low 70s the next several hours and eventually into the 60s overnight with some areas of fog. Now on First Alert Radar, we've been tracking some showers, the heaviest batch right now over the Vineyard at this point, and it's moving mainly to the north and east, so the Cape will likely see some of this very soon. We're tracking an area of low pressure that's kind of spinning a lot of this wet weather around like a pinwheel across our region. So you'll notice some light showers even toward King, but there goes that area of low pressure. There goes that swirl right there. It almost looks like a tropical storm or hurricane, but it's over land, and we don't have any tropical characteristics to it. But it is quite interesting to look at. Now, here's the deal. With this still in play, over the next several hours, we're going to have mostly cloudy skies and a chance of a little wet weather, some sprinkles around a few spots. Otherwise, as we look ahead for tonight, mostly cloudy and areas of fog developing. The low starts to move to the north, but there will still be some energy around it. So as we break out into some sunshine tomorrow, there's a potential that we could see a couple of thunderstorms, isolated at best, or showers developing by the afternoon. That's toward about 3:45, 4 o'clock, but you'll notice we won't see rain everywhere. Let's go into our Wednesday. We're going to cloud up one more time, more humidity out there, and Wednesday will likely give us our best chance of seeing some wet weather around. Could be heavy at times. That's closer to the lunchtime hour on Wednesday, and more of this wet weather will be moving in as we move through the evening hours, and some thunderstorms are not out of the question either. So if you have some plans for Wednesday, let's just start thinking ahead. You'll need your umbrella. That rain chance about 60%, and some low rain chances Thursday and Friday. There goes that 40% chance of some wet weather going into Saturday and Sunday. All right, so baseball weather. Yep, we've got the Mariners in town, and, well, they're already, first pitch already at 7:10. Mostly cloudy, can't rule out a sprinkle at Fenway this evening. But as we look ahead, I think Wednesday will likely be the worst of those 3 days there with a better chance of seeing some wet weather. Look at the temperatures. They're going to be going up along with the humidity. Near 90 on Thursday, upper 80s for Friday and Saturday, so it will get even hotter and much more humid over the next few days. The tropics have been quiet. We're tracking an area of low pressure that has about a 50% chance of development over the next several days. It's trying to get its act together right now, but it's going to take a little time, though. But you'll notice the forecast has about a 50% chance in the next 5 to 7 days. As it moves to the northwest, it could impact portions of the Caribbean here, maybe even toward the Bahamas and South Florida, so we'll have to watch that. The next name on the hurricane list, by the way, is Debbie. Your First Alert 10-day forecast shows temperatures in the upper 80s to near 90 for Thursday and Friday and part of the weekend. A 40% chance of showers and storms each day for the weekend. Drier early next week with a few more showers by next Wednesday.